rapid access to comprehensive oncology data and survival analysis. This is the OncoToolkit.
Hello, everyone. Today, I saw a patient with advanced cancer who had exhausted standard treatment options. He asked, "Doctor, am I still a good candidate for a phase 1 clinical trial?" Rather than making assumptions, let's take a closer look. Our patient is a 65-year-old man with metastatic colorectal cancer who has progressed after multiple lines of standard therapy. His baseline serum albumin is 32 grams per liter. His LDH is above the local laboratory upper limit of normal. Imaging demonstrates metastatic disease involving 3 different sites. Let's assess this case using the RMH Score calculator in the OncoToolkit. The RMH Score is a prognostic tool developed for patients being considered for phase 1 oncology clinical trials. Let's enter our patient's information. First, enter the baseline serum albumin. His albumin level is 32 grams per liter. We'll enter 32. Next, assess the baseline LDH relative to the local laboratory upper limit of normal. His ELDH is above the local upper limit of normal. We'll select above local ULN. Finally, enter the number of metastatic sites. This patient has metastatic disease involving 3 sites. We'll enter 3. Now click Calculate Score. Here are the results. The RMH score is 3 out of 3. This places the patient in the higher risk group. According to the original 2008 derivation cohort, patients in this group had a historical median overall survival of 24.9 weeks. In the 2009 prospective validation cohort, the historical median overall survival was 15.7 weeks. To see how the result was calculated, expand how this result was calculated. The calculator assigns 1 point for each adverse prognostic factor. Serum albumin below 35 grams per liter, LDH above the local laboratory upper limit of normal, and more than 2 metastatic sites. For this patient, all 3 adverse factors are present, resulting in an RMH score of 3. You can click Copy Result to copy the assessment. To save it, enter the patient's name and click Save. Previously saved assessments can be viewed from the Saved Results panel on the right-hand side. If you'd like to learn more, scroll down to the reference data below. The RMH score was originally developed at the Royal Marsden Hospital to help estimate prognosis for patients being considered for phase 1 oncology clinical trials. It is intended as a prognostic tool and should not be used alone to determine trial eligibility or treatment decisions. The clinical workflow section provides guidance on how these results should be interpreted in clinical practice. For this patient, an RMH score of 3 places him in the higher risk group. Although this score provides valuable historical prognostic information, treatment planning and clinical trial enrollment should always be individualized. For more oncology calculators and clinical decision support tools, explore the OncoToolkit.